Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. So friend, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily enhance image quality or color in your PC. So friend, in this tutorial you not need any paid software. This is free of cost software which is available in Windows 11, and today I'm going to demonstrate all the things in very easy method. So keep watching. In this video you will learn something new. Friend, here you can see that this is my photo app. Right now we are going to open it again so you will get the idea about it. Simply click on this start button and then simply search photos. So this application will open. So now we are going to click on this sample directory. So friend, you will see these images. Right now we are going to open this image and we want to enhance color of this image. Now you can see that already this image is showing good, but we want to increase the color quality of that image. Keep watching, you will see a difference things into it. You simply click on this edit button. Now you can see that this edit panel is open. Now we are going to click on this filter button, and here important thing that is we want to do that. First thing first, here this is my original image, and now we are going to change this color and enhance the quality of this image. We simply click on this cool light. So friend, now you can see that the difference of it. So this is the original color and this is the effect color. You can see that image is enhanced and color is also enhanced. We are going to save this image, save as copy, and here we are going to add, and right now we are going to compare these two images so you will get the idea about it. Here this is the color image. Now we are going to close these things, and by this way you can compare it. This is the change color which is enhanced color, and here you can see this is our original image. This is our original image, and this is here we are going to open two window. You will get the idea about it. Friend, you can compare two images here. Here you can see this is our original image which is left side, and this is the enhanced image which is the right side. Friends, you comment me below what things you like into this video, so that will motivate me to make more videos like that. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily enhance your photo color and quality into your computer. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe have any query or question, you can comment below so I will give you the answer. Friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.